Jump on a live stream today and show you how easy it is to send gifts to multiple addresses at hillcountrychocolate.com. So let me jump over to my desktop and let me walk you through it. So this is our website. We have lots of stuff going on, like Night at the Chocolate Factory at Grape Now. We just got named best chocolate shop in the Texas Hill Country. So excited about that. But today I'm going to show you how to ship to multiple addresses. The first thing you do is you go to this tab that says ship to multiple addresses. We'll click that tab and it's going to walk you through the steps. And you can actually ship just to one address and send a gift message, or you can send a gift to multiple addresses, and it makes it really simple. So the way you do it, there's all the steps that are present on this page. Go down here, you can explore the gift options. You add all the delivery details and personalized notes. You can send a personalized note for each person, or you can actually send one note to everybody if you want to do that as well. And then finally, submit your order, submit your payment, and you're done. So let me kind of show you how this works. So first of all, I'm going to go shop for something, and I'm going to go to the bestsellers tab here. I'm just going to pick bonbons because that's really popular. And then you're going to notice I can add to cart. So I just click add to cart. I want to send one box to every person. And over here in the checkout window, it says send to multiple addresses. So I'm just going to click that button and see where it takes me. It's going to open up a new window. We're actually syncing you to an engine that allows us to send to multiple addresses. It's actually pretty cool. And it looks like the same cart. So here we have our options of managing recipients and things like that. So I'm going to click manage recipients, and it's going to take me to this page which says recipients and gift messages. Looks a little daunting, but it's actually really easy. I can do a personalized message or a group message. I'm just going to send a personalized message. I can decide to not send any message at all, and some people do that. You can also make a decision on when to send it. We could send now, we could send it when we deliver the gift, or we could actually send the message later. So you have lots of choices on how to do that. And clearly, if I'm just sending it to one person, I could actually just put the recipient in here and send it, right? That's real simple to do. Pick the shipping, add the message, and be done. So here's the add address, add message. But I'm going to show you something else. What if you were working for a company and you had a whole list of people that you needed to send gifts to? It would be kind of a hassle to log in here and fill out this form every time. So we did something really cool. We added something where you can upload a CSV. So if you click on this button, it's going to walk you through all the steps. It's going to say fill in all the fields for up to 300 people. We've had somebody actually almost do that. Do not remove or edit in the columns, fill it out, save it as a CSV, and then all you're going to need to do is upload it later. We actually give you the form to fill out. So if you download this CSV template, you can actually open it in Google Sheets, fill out the information, and go from there. So I'm going to kind of show you what that looks like. I've already got one started. So here is actually the form in Dan's Christmas list, and I just decided to put Melanie on there. So there's Melanie's information. There's her email address, phone number. I wrote a message. This is Merry Christmas. There's the address to the chocolate factory, and we're going to send that from Rocket Tools. So basically what I do is I just save this file. So I just go download as CSV, just like that. And I go back over here and I click this upload button again, and I say upload completed form. And there's going to be Dan's Christmas list. If I open it just like that, it's going to pull in all of that information. So imagine if you were doing this for a corporate event or groups where you needed to send lots of different shipping, then you could just upload them all at one time. You can just fill out that Google Sheet and pretty much be done. Then you can go down here and you can click review order and click submit, and you just manage in a very simple amount of time sending out your corporate orders. One cool little tip: keep that spreadsheet till next year and then make some updates on the list. Who's been naughty, who's been nice, and you could resend it. That's how easy it is to send multiple gifts to multiple recipients at hillcountrychocolate.com. If you have any questions, you reach out to us at info@hillcountrychocolate.com, and we'll be happy to jump on a call with you and walk you through those steps. And in the meantime, have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday.